have a soft touch barber shop. Now, if you've heard of a soft touch barber shop and you've seen what's going on there, it's a barber shop which is actually for XHAPs.
Okay.
Now, most people don't know
What's
la
this?
vibe, yabona.
Okay,
So
okay.
mainly we want to accommodate a local artist and then the Xhosa rap culture, the hip hop Xhosa culture. Yes, La Barber Shop is meant for that. As much as we are servicing abantu with the haircuts, it's actually a representation of the Xhosa rap culture upper Mthatha. You understand? So that is the soft touch barber shop. Like if we have a creative amongst us, you understand? There's no need to look elsewhere. You understand? So me working with the creative is actually me supporting them in a way, but also